are making something special. We're always doing something special. Soda bread. I have a friend who always supplies us with soda bread. He has mother-in-law who is 95 currently, and her recipe is one of the best Irish bread I have ever had. He always brings to my house, and once in a while my kid asks, "Why, Mom, you never made soda bread?" So today is the day. I want to show you. I'm using her recipe for plain soda bread. This recipe is good, but simple, super simple. All we need: bread flour, 2 cups, a little bit of sugar, raw canned organic sugar I'm using, and it's not much. You can use 1/4 or up to 1/3 cup, not a lot. 2 eggs, some buttermilk. I'm using homemade, any buttermilk, kefir, or even yogurt if you don't have. If you don't have anything, use milk and salad with lemon juice or vinegar and mix together and wait 5 minutes, and now you have buttermilk and you can use that. So whatever you have on hand, salt, little bit of baking powder, baking soda, and that's it. The only ingredient I would say you may not have in your kitchen is caraway seed. Come and look. Traditionally used in soda bread. Also, German people like to use in sauerkraut. Some sausages, sometimes I use, I like caraway seed. So if you don't have, skip, but I hardly recommend to use it. Let's do it. Dry ingredients, wet ingredients mixed together. Super simple. Here we go. Flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and sugar. Whisk. Now, and for the wet, buttermilk, eggs, whisk together. That's it. Caraway seed and whisk. I forgot to add with dry ingredients. Now wet and this simple dough, simple bread, and the most important to not overmix. You don't need overmix because it will be more dense versus nice, delicate. Soda bread, it's almost like cakey texture, so you don't want chewiness in soda bread. It's not sourdough bread. As soon as all ingredients incorporate, we are ready to go. And I'm using this nice paper mold. You don't need to unmold, you don't need to line paper, nothing. It's easy. And the dough kind of looks like slightly wet. I believe they like to do little cross. I don't know why they're doing this, Irish people, but it goes to 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Let's taste. You want taste? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice, soft. You want butter?
Yeah.
Some Irish butter? For my Irish and half Ukraine boy? It's not too much? No?
A little, probably more.
You want more?
Well, that's it. Yummy.
Yummy? He loves bread and butter. What can be better? I hope I convinced to make you this simple, delicious, every night, not special occasion bread. And give me a like, subscribe, share with your friend, and cook everything from scratch. Bye, see you next time.